Hello, my name is Mukarram Mawjood. I'm the founder of Bullionite and here to talk to you about physical precious metals, especially gold and silver. Today it's an interesting video for all our viewers because I wanted to take the time to show you what an actual physical gold coin and a physical silver coin looks like, especially the gold American Eagle coin and the silver American Eagle, because there's so much talk right now with the gold market going up significantly and silver going up significantly. There's a lot of talk about what type of metals should you purchase. Is physical metal better than paper contracts in metal? They both have their own pros and cons, and actually physical metal has way more advantages than paper contracts when it comes to certain things that you want to accomplish in your life. And also, there's a lot of discussion and sometimes confusion about, some tax advantages that you get with certain types of metals. So we want to kind of dive into that a little bit as well, right? So first, what I'm going to do is I will show you how an actual gold American Eagle 1 ounce coin looks like. And then we'll go to the half-ounce coin, and then we'll look at the silver coins as well, okay? Now, I am going to put on my white gloves that we need, because when you touch these metals, you have to make sure that, you try your best not to touch them without gloves, because sometimes the oil in your skin can react with the metal, or it can make the coins smudgy, and different kind of things can happen, right? Now, why is this important? Because if you have a significant amount of money in physical precious metals, or you're thinking of converting it into physical precious metals, and then once the market appreciates significantly, if you want to take that metal and you want to sell it, you want to make sure that the coin is in the best condition. That's why I urge you that if you get delivery of your coins, make sure that when you're looking at them, you always try to wear some kind of a glove or something that'll protect the coin, okay? Now, this is a 1 ounce gold American Eagle coin, okay? And it's such a beautiful feeling to actually hold a gold coin. If you've never held physical gold or physical silver, I urge you, and I really wish that you would actually get that done, or you would purchase some and you would have it delivered to your house, and you can do that. Because here's why I tell you this. When I first got my physical precious metals long time ago, okay, one of the greatest feelings that I had is when I held that coin in my hand, it felt like I'm holding on to treasure, like actual treasure. And what's amazing is I immediately, for the first time, because I've been a trader for a long time, I immediately realized the difference between paper instruments or paper investments and a physical metal investment, and owning physical gold, because you see the significance and the tangibility of your money converted into gold versus having your money in a paper contract or in the bank, because we've been directed towards thinking of money as a digital thing or paper or stocks. But once you own something that is as beautiful as a gold American Eagle coin and as valuable as a gold American Eagle coin, you will have a different way of looking at money itself, okay? Now, let's get back to this coin. This is the 1 ounce gold American Eagle. By the way, that is the largest coin that you can own, because the gold American Eagle comes in the form of a 1 ounce coin, a half ounce, a quarter ounce, right? And then you have a 1/10 ounce as well. But the large coin has something very interesting. Obviously, it has the front and back of the coin, and you have the eagle, and then you have the Lady Liberty, and all of that engraved into the coin. It's beautiful. It comes from the United States Treasury and the mint. Okay. Now, if you turn the coin around, okay, you'll see a very interesting thing. At the bottom of the coin, when you read it, it'll say the number of ounces. It'll say 1 ounce gold American Eagle, right? And it'll say $50. Now that's a very interesting thing for you to realize, because if you've ever owned a gold bar, you'll see that a gold bar has the number of ounces, like minted on it, the purity, 0.99, and the mint that it comes from, like whether it's Credit Suisse or whether it's a different Johnson Matthey or whatever it is, right? But on a coin, when you have a dollar denomination minted onto a coin, it makes this a currency. This is where a lot of this conversation comes up about, hey, do I get tax advantages, certain kinds of tax advantages, certain special advantages that you have when it comes to owning the coin versus the bar. And it is true, you do have more advantages when it comes to owning a coin than a bar, because the coin is considered a currency, whereas a bar is not, okay? And if you want to learn more about the actual tax advantages and the benefits of owning a gold American Eagle coin versus a bar, please get in touch with us or one of our representatives, or come to our website bullionite.com, and you can request information, and we will be glad to educate you on that, because there is a massive advantage when it comes to owning the coin versus a bar. Okay, now I'm going to put this coin down, and I will take the half-ounce gold American Eagle, and I'll show that to you. The half-ounce gold American Eagle obviously is smaller, right? Because it's 1/2 ounce compared to the 1 ounce, the big coin that I just showed you. Most of the engraving is the same, right? When you look at the back, when you look at the front of the coin. But if you turn the coin around, and when you look at the bottom, like we did in the 1 ounce coin, you'll notice that this time, instead of it saying $50, it says $25. That makes perfect mathematical sense, right? If there's a 1 ounce coin that has been given a $50 as a currency value, and then the half-ounce coin is $25, okay? Now, that does not mean the coin is worth $25. And the 1 ounce coin is not worth $50. It's worth more than $2,000 right now, okay? Because it's an ounce of gold. But what it means is that one day you could actually convert this into currency if ever something happens, and there is a minted currency value to it. And this is why it's called, they're also referred to as coins of the realm, you know. Now there are specific coins, not all coins have tax advantages, right? Or certain reporting advantages. But there are specific types of coins, and that's why when you work with a group or an investment professional, you can ask them, okay, is this coin part of that group of coins that have certain benefits compared to a gold bar, okay? Now, I'll try to see if I can show both coins next to each other, right? That way you get an idea of the size difference. And there you go. Beautiful. You have to hold one in your hand, on your palm, and you have to look at it, because the feeling of owning treasure is an exhilarating feeling, okay? The next thing is, what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you the silver American Eagle coin, and that's a pretty large coin. This is the silver American Eagle, okay? And you can see it's a beautiful coin, again from the United States Mint and the Treasury. And this is one of the most popular silver coins, whereas in the gold coins, gold American Eagles are one of the most popular coins in the world, okay? The other thing is, if you turn this coin around, you'll see that on the bottom, just like when we discussed with the gold coin, this gives you the number of ounces. This is a 1 ounce coin, okay? Silver comes in 1 ounce coins, okay? And then it has a value of $1 written on there, like minted on it, right? So this has a value of $1. It doesn't mean the coin is worth $1, but it's minted as a currency value of $1, okay? Whereas the coin could be, especially with silver running up right now, it's in the 30s or even higher right now, right? What you can purchase a coin for. Now, the other thing, what I find very interesting about this is, obviously, as gold gets more and more, as the price of gold goes higher and higher, some people tend to choose silver over gold because they can afford silver more than gold. And also, if you have a certain limited amount of money that you want to convert into metals, and you don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars, then what you can do is you can opt for silver, because you can own more metal for the same number of dollars, right? And if you look at the other videos that we've done, we've given you an example of how much the markets have run before, from 2008 to 2011. I would suggest you go onto our website, look for that video, and you can understand the potential of what these markets have grown over the years, okay? And again, I'd like to thank you for spending time with us and learning about the markets and having a close-up view of a very, very popular and beautiful gold coin, gold American eagle, and the silver coin, the silver American eagle. And hopefully the information presented was beneficial to you. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be sure to check out Bullionite.com for more actionable information that can help you attain your goals. Wishing you a happy and successful investing.
Content is for educational purposes only. This is not investment advice from Bullionite LLC. There is always risk for substantial losses in investing and or trading through any financial instrument with or without this or any other type of advertised product. Past performances are not indicative of future results. Different types of investments involve varying degrees of risk. Specific strategies or education presented by Bullionite LLC and its associates in this video are for educational purposes only.